is the button we made to replace the missing one from the mold. Fits right in there.
Dang.
Nice, huh?
Almost like her.
Not
Almost
bad.
like me, dog.
There we go. There's the back side of it. Now we got to figure out how much to grind off of it. See, those things touch, and that's what honks the horn. Pretty basic. So, there we have it. And there's Lily the watchdog. Couldn't bite anybody, but boy, oh boy, she sure is a good dog. What do you do with something that pretty? That's right. This is where we got to grind here. I need to put a scratch on it or something.
So before it was just missing a piece, it was broken.
It's missing. There's the one we made the mold off of, right there. There's the old plaster mold right there. See, there's where the mold was made, right in there. Right, we broke it right in two. Cool, huh? And we end up with a very strong part you can't buy for any amount of money.
This is insane.
Okay. There we go. And we got to get a Dremel tool. You know what a Dremel tool is? Do you know what one is?
A Dremel tool.
Yeah, it's like a high-speed drill grinder.
A drill grinder, okay. High speed. Shit. So it's a smaller one?
Yeah, you haven't ever used one?
I'm not sure.
They're great fun. Great fun.
Classic car world, y'all boys.
Classic doggies. Take a
Classic
picture of
dog.
this old car here we're getting ready to put on the road, sir. Take a picture of this thing here.
Charger RT.
This is the car we flagged down the guy driving down the road in 1981 and told him we had to buy this thing.
You bought this in
Made
the
a deal
81?
right on the side of the road. We flagged this guy down going down the road, followed him into a speed shop and bought this car right down the street. 1981. Factory Air 440 Magnum hiding in there.
Pressure, y'all boys.
I think you test drove it the other day, sir.
Oh yeah, boy, we were swinging
Engine
out
drives
this thing,
perfectly.
boy. Oh my God.
Brakes aren't too good, doors fly open, but we're working on that.
Flying at it.
It's a real RT, it's not a fake. Got the factory posi.
Gotta give it to you one more
Headlight
time.
doors open up, yeah.
Oh yeah.
All new headlights. Could use a new bumper, but it's not really torn off yet.
Classic.
Yeah. Runs and drives good. Now, put a new oil pump on it. See how it runs Monday. Did you pull your car up, sir?
Oh, it's out there.
I know we ain't walking all the way back and forth. You got to pull it up to here.
We about to
Right
do a
now,
little job,
yeah,
y'all
right
boys.
here. You kill us. We're gonna have to walk in 100 miles. Okay. Excuse me.
Classic dog.
That's right. Check it out. We got a new trim ring for this wheel. See? See the new trim ring we just got? Right here, Captain. And it goes right on there after we clean the sand off.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be clean.
It's the right one too. Look at that.
You ordered that or you bought it?
No, I got that from the neighbor off of his Super Bee. He
got
got
a
the
Super
modern aluminum wheels. Had to catch him at the right moment.
Yeah. So they got the same.
No, that's original.
Oh.
That's the correct one. Nice, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah. Take a picture of that thing. That thing's got over 100 hours just to work on the engine. That car there, we got that
This
from
thing.
a tree farm the other day. Started right up. The engine was frozen. We had to fill it with diesel to all the way to the top. Filled the carburetor with diesel and let it soak for a couple days. The engine freed up and it runs perfectly now. Yep.
Yeah, I heard of y'all boys.
Hard top. We'll have that one driving soon, bro.
Oh yeah.
You can drive that one. It's only got 2 horsepower compared to this thing.
Oh, we know.
So that one there, you could handle.
Come on, y'all boys. We trying to handle everything
I'm
right here,
telling
man.
you. And this one over here, we're going to do a burnout session. Did you hear about that? We're going to do a little burnout here in a day or so and get some videos.
In this
Got the
thing.
engine all souped up now.
In this thing.
Yeah.
All right, so we about to get a little Freon job on your boys.
All right, that's good. Pop the hood.
GT, Celic.
That's fine.
Y'all heard of y'all boys. We trying to go to a classic car show today. We're gonna see if we're gonna make it. If I make it there, I will take y'all along to the classic car show today. What we got going over here, young Steve?
Oh, just gotta put some coolant in there.
Got some Freon ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need you to go get a little gas here.
From well.
Yeah, Do you see where to put the Freon yet, sir?
No.
You gotta look for the lower
Right there?
pressure hose.
That looks like it, brother.
That's the lower pressure hose.
It says L on it. Is that an indication?
That's definitely an indication, brother.
That says H for high.
High pressure hose right there, yeah.
That's
boy.
L.
That's
That's for a retard. It's like, oh yeah, we got that right. Call Aunt Martha to be sure. Oh, that's right. She's at the doctor, and she's got cancer of the butthole.
Hold on,
But
young
they
Steve,
called
what you
up
doing?
and said it was just a milk dud stuck in her butt crack. She's safe. She's a big girl. She drinks and eats a lot. She got some candy caught down there.
Oh,
Had to
my
go to the
God.
doctor. You're gonna live.
Listen,
Wasn't cancer after all, just a piece of candy in the butt crack.
oh my God, we taking you guys along. This show has just got started.
That's it.
That's it, y'all boys. So,
Where's that doggy?
about to throw some Freon in there. Lily done took off. We don't know where Lily went.
Oh man, there she
There
is.
she is, hiding up under the.
car. Lily girl, what you doing?
I think that's her favorite car right now.
Yeah, she's up there guarding it.
She is not letting nobody touch that car.
That's right, girl. Woo-wee.
Yep, so we about to throw the gauges on it to check it to read it first. See what the temp is reading first. Then we gonna fill her up. That's it.
Has he got the nozzle cap?
Yeah. To poke through. I got one too in my car if you need it. You didn't buy one?
No, no.
Yeah, you're supposed to buy an extra little piece to poke through it so it can open up and it'll shut off. That little piece will shut it off so it won't let any out when you're done if you have some left over. But I have one in my car if he doesn't have one. He got one on his can. You see the blue thing on top of the blue can?
You got the little cap?
Yeah,
Yeah,
right there by the
Oh,
shop. We like to lose parts to your car. It weighs less and you get better gas mileage. How can he complain? You get better gas mileage when your weight goes down. So when there's all kinds of parts missing, we took them off and left them off.
Listen, he needs to lose some tires.
Yeah. Has he got some good tires? He
Steve,
drives 900 miles an hour everywhere he
everywhere he goes.
okay. No,
No, don't offend
Five or-
yourself. It's
five or-
exaggerated just for the movie camera, sir. Please don't get upset. You have to be an actor and say, no, I go 1,000. Don't say no. You're going to blow the whole swing of things.
yeah.
There you go. That's the right word.
Shit.
See, here's proof. The guy in front of him wasn't racing fast enough, and he running right out of the way and tore up his front bumper.
Hey, he was closer into the intersection when I got finished.
That's right. You
Yeah.
helped him get further in life.
That's how you do
Yeah.
it. You can't beat it, bro.
Yeah, he wasn't too pleased about it, though.
These things happen. It's called the, instead of using your horn, you use your bumper. Bam! They can't ignore that. They can ignore the horn.
You got to build a car that's built for that.
I know, we can actually modify this one with a giant piece of pipe. We have one in the shop. This big around, but you know, your girls would not go out with you anymore. They would be offended. But you wouldn't.
Yeah.
Lordy Lord.
All right,
Yeah,
y'all
the
boys.
stockbroker got all the money, keeps it in the bank. That's it. All right, folks, let's see if we got any kind of reading here. No, not a good, no. You need Freon, brother.
Whole lot of Freon, brother. Let's see
Okay.
if this thing moves.
Yeah, we got to figure out where it's going. Right now, we'll get you going now. Okay, you're gonna probably end up starting it up and turning it on in a moment, not this very second.
Okay.
That'll let the air out of the line. Let's just open it up. You don't have to have it running for, this might be enough to get you going all the way around.
That thing is definitely gone, man.
Mm-hmm.
Almost full, y'all boys.
Yep. This one here, we hooked it up to a tractor trailer the other day and it just blowed it clean apart.
Damn.
You know, they hold too much pressure. Just keep them tractor trailers the hell away. They're tearing up my equipment.
Yeah, I heard of y'all boys.
Son of a dog biscuit.
Need a bigger pressure gauge for them boys.
Yeah, you gotta have bigger everything. Shifters, boots, everything gotta be bigger.
Boots.
Even your reading glasses gotta be thicker to drive a tractor trailer. You know what we say about changing lanes on those things?
What's that?
Big is right. Small, you lose.
You gotta go big, y'all boys.
Big is
on
right.
big.
All right, Brother Bear, start it up and turn everything on. Let's see what you got on the reading.
See what you got, man.
Got a little.
Quick little JOB.
Guy's all right. Yeah, do put it in neutral. It tells you how much Freon is put in this thing. I don't know. Put a little more than that, and then put the rest of my stuff. This thing now. It is a little bit less.
You got a fan on?
Yeah, it comes on automatically.